Well, welcome back. And we are filling up with fuel, getting an early start today. Sun's not up yet. We're out here just trying to get started, fueling up the combine, warming it up. We've got a couple odd jobs to do. The pivot circle out here, which is what happens a lot of times when you shut them off, is it is stuck. And so I'm gonna have to cut a couple paths out there just so we can pull the circle out so we can move it out of the way later on today. But should have clean sailing today. Weather's gonna be nice. It's a little damp out here, so we probably won't get really going till 9 o'clock or so. I'll go get it so we can pull that pivot out, and we'll go from there. Now, the most fun job in the mornings is cleaning the windows. Get all this black dirt all over everything you can't even see out of your windows. I normally enjoy when I have a 17-year-old along and I get him to clean my windows. But he's going to school today, so the 43-year-old man gets to clean the windows. And so that's what I'll do. I'll clean the mirrors as well. Clean the windows. Those look pretty clean. Not perfect. They're gonna get dirty again. Full of fuel, and need to figure out which circle tower is stuck. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you see that tower right there? Not this tower, but that tower is sunk pretty deep. I believe it's the one that is stuck. And I believe we guessed right. That looks like that is buried. So we'll get a spot cut open here, and then we will go get a chain and we'll pull it out. Like, how can't you just love that, right? How can't you love that? All right, we're gonna go to harvesting. We're gonna go to harvesting. Let me get the door shut here. We've got the circle moved, I think. We'll see when we get out there. It's supposed to be moving. Let the combine boot up here. Whoop. Windows clean, and we're ready for a fun-filled day of picking some pretty amazing corn out here. Just love it. See that K-State flag whipping in the sky. Corn going in. Ben is filling up with corn. What an awesome day. Waiting on the auger wagon. When the corn is good, you get to wait sometimes. Well, we had a quick lunch. Now we're going to get back after it. And we got reinforced with another truck. So we're gonna smoke and get a lot put in the elevator today. Man, when you're waiting for the auger wagon after lunch and you just had some coconut pie that you shouldn't have had, you get pretty sleepy. So glad he got here. I was about to doze off. Gonna have to hit some cold drinks. out of the fridge here pretty quick. Not those kind of cold drinks. Gatorade. There are some big ears flowing into this combine right now. It's so beautiful. What's up, Team Harvest? Yep, we're gonna go try to get back after it. I didn't take as much video yesterday as I wanted to. I actually had some meetings this morning, and then last night we were just scrambling to get stuff done, but we finished that field. It was dry, it was excellent, and it was pretty boring. The combine worked, trucks worked, the elevator. It was a great day. So what we're gonna do, it's about noon time right now. If you're not sure what noon is, that's 12 p.m. on the farm. And I'm headed home. We're gonna work this afternoon. We're gonna go try we've got about 80, 90 acres of corn left. It was too wet as of 3 days ago. So we're gonna probably just cut a load and see if it'll go today. Well, we are back at it. And we tried a load at 17.1. Then we had another load and it was like 18. And so then it was 17.1. You know, the yo-yo of the moisture this year is kind of hilarious. I don't know why it gets wet and dry, but we're gonna go give it a shot. As you can tell, it's cloudy. I don't know if you can all see that. Maybe a chance of rain tonight. Be kind of okay with me if it rained, but it'd kind of be okay if it didn't also. And the reason I say that is it's kind of a win-win. Rain will be good because we need some rain for the double crop beans. Some of them will still make good beans. I'm also, I don't know if you can see across the road, I'm watering the double crop beans with the pivot over there, so it'd be nice to save water. So rain would be good. Also moisture for wheat. We'll be planting wheat in like 2 weeks probably. Here comes the auger wagon. Grain cart auger wagon. Potato. Somebody said something in the comments that sometimes I call it an auger wagon or a grain cart. Well, it's both. It depends where you are in the country. It is a wagon with an auger. It also is a grain cart, so both are fine. And we've got Ethan back from school. He'll be excited with the pond over there. There's a bunch of ducks. There's a whole pile of ducks over there. Pretty hard. I can tell because of the lugs in the tire. Got another semi coming. So hired a semi, that'll help us because the trucking is the limiting factor right now. Making some progress now. Probably down to, let's see what the monitor says. We still have 56 acres, but you know, we started at like 90. So we're probably cut 30 or 40 acres today. We're gonna run maybe till about 8 o'clock, so 2 more hours. Probably get another 20, 25 acres. Beautiful golden cornfield. Here's how much we have left. It looks like a lot, but you know, we're down to 60 acres. Ethan's chasing. He's gonna come on the other end, so I can go clear through. But when I get to the other end, he's gonna have to unload me. And then he'll have a full cart. That's kind of how we're rolling. See a little bit of the pretty yellow corn flowing in there. And then you can see it pouring in right there. Pouring in the spout. Fun stuff. Super fun stuff. Just plugging along. Kick back, relax. Get a drink out of my fridge. I do have a refrigerator in here, which some people think is hilarious. I'm like, how much these things cost? You should have a refrigerator, I think. Well, the sun is pretty well gone. And I would say we've probably got another hour because the elevator's going to close at 8, and then we'll fill the trucks up. And then we'll quit for the evening, and we will put everything away and see if it rains. But see the corn, not quite as good as the other field, but doing pretty good. Man, I would say under the pivot, we're probably over about 235 or something. Definitely not 250, but it's doing good. And we're gonna be full. 97, 98, 99. Get her to 100% full, 100%. And the way this is the way that works is you could keep going, but you start hearing kernels of corn hit the roof of the combine, and that's not where you're supposed to put it. Okay, so it's my favorite time. We're going to turn the lights on. Getting pretty dark. It's zeroed in. I love picking corn at night. I don't know why. And let there be light. And let there be light. Well, it is that time of night. Ethan's pulling up. We're going to finish filling the grain cart, and then we're probably going to be done for the evening. We've probably got about 15 or 20 acres left, but I think we'll be piddling with that maybe the next few days. But I think for this video, I think we're going to wrap corn harvest on the FarmTube channel. So the next thing that you'll get to see us do is probably cut soybeans. And I'm guessing that's going to happen in the next week. So Ethan is here. We're going to finish picking this corn, and then we'll get the combine changed over. Might show some of that. Get some things ready so we can plant wheat in the next couple weeks. But man, corn really may go down as our best crop this year, because the dryland corn was surprisingly good. If you remember, it made over 100, and definitely all of the irrigated corn. We did have to pump a lot of water on it, but definitely all of the irrigated corn has been excellent. Probably exceeding our expectations. So it's been good. But I'm guessing everything ain't gonna do that. But I'm grateful for what we have. Hopefully the soybeans I'm not as high on the soybeans being as good as the irrigated corn. I just don't think they look as good when I look at them. Hopefully we have a good crop there. It ain't gonna be bad, but really the irrigated corn, the dryland corn, it was pretty outstanding. It was pretty outstanding. Lots of bushels of corn. So I hope you've enjoyed corn harvest. Just looking at that rain into the grain cart like we've been doing with the K-State flag flying over it, and we'll say farewell to corn harvest, but hello to soybean harvest here in about a week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've never seen corn harvest before, hope it's given you a new perspective. And this is yellow corn. So what this goes into, like whenever you eat any meat, chicken, beef, this is chances are what they're eating. If you put fuel in your car, the ethanol that's in it, that's what this goes to make that. And so lots of uses, and we're grateful there's a lot of corn in the world because there's a lot of uses for it. So I hope you all have a good night, good day, whatever time you're watching this. And we'll be back with more videos later. Share, like, subscribe. It's cool to watch it grow and watch more people learn a little bit more about this. And always remember, man, be a blessing to people. And we're grateful to God for what He's provided for us. Hope you're grateful today too. Hope you have a great one. We'll catch you later. Bye.